India's National Security Advisor Ajit Doval arrived in Moscow for a visit of elevated importance, not just a scheduled engagement but a pivotal moment amid growing tensions with the US over India's deepening ties with Russia. So, what's on priority? Well, first step is the advanced defense cooperation. Strengthening India-Russia strategic and security ties, especially in military collaboration, will be Ajit Doval's key agenda. Discussions will cover early delivery of the remaining two S-400 air defense systems and exploring new orders. Next is securing Russian energy supply. During his visit, Doval will also reportedly work on ensuring stable imports of discounted Russian oil, which now provides around 36 to 40% of India's crude, which is vital amid global market instability. Further, on his visit, Doval will also have to navigate the US pressure. NSA Ajit Doval's visit gains urgency as President Trump has imposed a 25% tariff on Indian imports and threatens steeper penalties over India's oil trade with Russia. India has rebuffed the criticism, labeling it unfair and hypocritical. Further, Doval is expected to participate in BRICS security-level talks, relaying Prime Minister Modi's messages and exploring diplomatic avenues for peace in crises like Ukraine. Moreover, Doval will also try to address the current geopolitical escalation. Conversations will examine changing global landscape, including Ukraine conflict dynamics, and reaffirm India's stance of strategic autonomy. Overall, this trip isn't merely routine. It reflects India's determination to uphold its sovereignty in foreign and energy policy, even under intensifying Western economic pressure. Doval's agenda underscores India's balancing act, that is, deepening ties with Russia in defense and energy while bracing for fallout from US trade retaliation. For more updates on the same, keep watching India TV.